And my colleague Rajiv Ranjan also spoke with Jaya Bachchan on her reaction in Parliament today. He began by asking her if she was upset with the government.
आप बहुत नाराज हैं सरकार से, बहुत भावुक भी हो गए।
देखिए, जिस तरह से सरकार अपना कार्य कर रही, सबसे ज्यादा नाराज हूं कि मेरे कोलीग्स यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं। आप लोग कहते हैं कि मैं मिठाई देती हूँ, बिस्किट देती हूँ। I don't know what else I can do for them. I really am angry. This is not justice. और इस सरकार से जस्टिस एक्सपेक्ट करना बिल्कुल बेकार है। जैसे इन्होंने फार्मर्स से, किसानों से माफी मांगी, एक दिन इन सारे एमपी से माफी मांगनी होगी।
आपने सरकार को श्राप भी दिया कल,
नाराज थी, दे दिया। होना तो चाहिए। इनके बुरे दिन बहुत जल्दी आने वाले हैं।
अम्मा मैडम, जया बच्चन मैडम, you belong to Samajwadi Party, okay? And you claim certain thing under Right to Information Act as to why such and such duty is performed by police or ED or some other government agency. And you also say that it hurts your sentiments. I shall tell you one thing, that even a common man is having the same right and the same attribution in calling for information on any subject in any government, whether it is BJP or Samajwadi or Congress or Trinamool Congress. I shall tell you that the document, one minute, see, the points for discussion on RTI provisions, which says the Act gives citizens a right to information at par with the members of the Parliament and the members of the state legislature. That means a citizen, a common man, maybe including me as a common man, has every right to get information on par with the members of the Parliament and members of the state legislature. According to the Act, the information which cannot be claimed to the Parliament or State Assembly shall not be denied to any person. See, this is more important, that you and a common man who is not a member of the Parliament or Assembly stands in the same foot, a same grief. Do you understand, madam? Please proceed, Mr. NDTV.
क्या कहेंगे? सरकार से जो भी नाराज होता है हर जगह छापे मारने शुरू कर देते हैं, ईडी सीडीआई बुलाने शुरू कर देते हैं।
देखिए, आप सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, जवाब आपको पता है। आप लोग भी तो बोलिए ना, जब तक मीडिया आवाज नहीं, मीडिया को धक्का दे रहे हैं।
जया जी क्या कहेंगे? क्या बीजेपी के लोग कोई दागदार नहीं है, उनके ऊपर कोई सवाल नहीं खड़े होते, उनके खिलाफ ईडी सीबीआई कोई नहीं जाता है? गृह राज्य मंत्री की स्थिति की मांग कर
उल्टी गंगा में नहा के आए, सारे के सारे उल्टी गंगा में नहा के आए, वहां तो उल्टी।
Madam Jaya Bachchan madam, you are a member of the Parliament in Samajwadi Party, okay? And you claim,
And my colleague Rajiv Ranjan also spoke with
जवाब आपको पता है।
you claim that you are angry and your anger must be respected. And BJP, you are charging BJP. No, it is not good. You must charge the RTI Act. Even if you become the Prime Minister, you cannot deny the information which you are cursing today. Please understand that BJP is not a scapegoat. India is suffering from illegality, immorality. Therefore, I am asking you, Samajwadi Party and BJP, and every party who is accusing the other party in the parliament. I am marching to the President of India in the year 2022. It is the responsibility of the President to give the reply to your question and to pacify your anger. Please support my candidature for election into the presidency in the year 2022. Please understand the situation. Jaya Bachchan, mother, please.
आप लोग भी तो बोलिए ना, जब तक मीडिया आवाज नहीं, मीडिया को धक्का दे रहे हैं।
जया जी क्या कहें, क्या बीजेपी के लोग कोई दागदार नहीं है, उनके ऊपर कोई सवाल नहीं खड़े होते, उनके खिलाफ ईडी सीबीआई कोई नहीं जाता है, गृह राज्य मंत्री की इस्तीफे की मांग कर रहे हैं।
उल्टी गंगा में नहा के आए, सारे के सारे उल्टी गंगा में नहा के आए। वहां तो उल्टी गंगा बह रही ना, वहां सब नहा के आए, डुबकी मार के आए, सब उनके पाप धुल गए, गंगा मैली हो गई। जब पाप उनके धुले वो गंगा में ही गए ना, और तो कहीं गया नहीं।
अम्मा Jaya Bachchan Amma, Samajwadi Party Amma, you say that you are angry, but your anger can be pacified only by the President and not by the BJP. Please understand me well and act according to the situation. One party blaming the other party, or in the sense that affected party is blaming the ruling party, is not the subject matter which I propose in the presidential cockpit. Please understand the situation of India. The democracy is degraded right from 1948 by the president. The inactivity, the non-performance of duty is the curse of the day. To avoid this, please select and elect Surendranath Pachari, the sole mandate holder of Pachari Yoga International Trust, as the next president in the election campaign for the president in the year 2022. Please follow me after that, and I will give you the fitting reply to you, because the RTI Act so far from the year 2005 has become a corrupt document, a lazy document by the officials, not by the BJP or Congress, or if you are elected as a Prime Minister, by you. Please understand me. Thank you, Jaya Bachchan, Madam, Jaya Bachchan, Mother. I thank you very much. Thank you and thank you. Welcome. I thank all other opposition leaders also not to be angry with BJP or not to be angry with Congress if they are elected to the power. Thank you and thank you.